Welcome to all my lovely people. Now you guys are also part of my family. So welcome family to my vlog. From the Queen of Hills, Shimla, to the Queen of Hill Station or the Queen of Nilgiri Hills, Ooty. Very happy to go from North Hill Station to South Hill Station, which are equally beautiful. Hope you guys have watched my winter exploration series. Please do watch that if not watched it. I will provide the link in the description box. It was our bullet ride through Himachal Pradesh. The vlog from Himachal Pradesh is still going on, guys. So please do watch. Stay tuned to that as well. After our Himachal travel, we reached home and we checked with our family. Where do you guys want to travel? Because it's New Year, they also want to have fun. And we gave them two options, mountain or beach. They were like mountain. And which is the best hill station near to Bangalore? No doubt it's Ooty always. So we just started our trip to Ooty in the second week of Jan. We didn't really want to make it a tightly packed itinerary. We took enough breaks in between, relaxed properly and enjoyed the vacation. Day 1, we started around 12 o'clock from Bangalore and we took around 6 hours to reach Ooty. We had our lunch from Mysore. From Mysore, we took Mysore, Bandipur, Mudumalai, Masinagudi and Ooty route. If you guys have enough time during your Ooty travel, you can even plan a visit to the Bandipur or Mudumalai national parks. There is one important information to pass on to you guys while traveling from Bangalore to Ooty or from anywhere to Ooty. After that forest drive, when we crossed the Tamil Nadu border, there we came to know that we have to take e-pass, which is actually not required to be approved, but we will have to register at a site. So there is a website called TNE registration. There you have to provide all the details of your vehicle number, who all are traveling with you, their age, everything. And that is what you will have to show at the check post. Even if you forgot to take that, you still have the option to take it. But you will have to go 500 meters back and there only you will get the network. So you have to go till there and try to register in the e-registration portal. In the portal, you have to provide the district as Nilgiri and you will have to provide which check post you will be taking the permission from. So for us it was Kakkanalla check post. I'll provide all these details in the description box. You always know Bangalore to Ooty ride is such a pleasure trip and it is a very nice, beautiful ride. I need not even comment on that. Whoever has taken that road will definitely know about that. Stayed at a place called Beverly Villa. As the name says, it is definitely a villa. It is a home away from home. So whatever you really look for at your home is there in this place. Now the room tour. We took a family suite, so it was really comfortable for us. And it has 2 rooms. Each had a washroom attached to that and all other amenities. Only con which I felt is there is timing for hot water availability, that is from 6 to 10:30 both morning and evening. But we were really able to manage with it. Information dears, there is no restaurant in this hotel, but then if you call them they will get the food for you. Except breakfast. After 6 hours of travel, we reached the room. We didn't go anywhere, had dinner and just crashed out. Second day in Ooty, Everyone slept nicely, guys. It's already 12 o'clock. Let's go and have breakfast. So guys, we came to Ooty Botanical Garden. So nearby a shop is there, so we came in for breakfast. Because it's 12 o'clock, we couldn't find much options here, so just ordered parota and egg masala. After a good breakfast, we came to Government Botanical Garden. So everyone are happy here. Everyone are having a very good time with their family. See, Amma liked it a lot. Actually, Amma is so happy to be in Ooty. So I think everyone will love this place. So come here, do visit this place. And there is a rose garden also. If you like to go to a lot of gardens, you can try that as well. So my sissy Chinchu and nephew Appus is also having a nice time here. And this guy, he's very naughty. He threw that mask onto the pond. What to do? The ideal time to visit this garden is October to June. You can also plan your visit based on the flower show which will be held every year in the month of May. And there is an entrance fee here. It is like 50 rupees for adult and 30 rupees for kids above 5 years. There are so many people here who will help you to take photographs. So we came for shopping. There is a market near to Botanical Garden. You can find Tibetan market also inside. So we'll just see around. If there is something very good, we will buy it. There are a lot of shops here for jackets, then homemade chocolates. We can find fresh carrots, fruits. We are inside Tibetan market right now. After a good garden visit, we went to the tea factory, which also has a chocolate factory within it, and we went through all the process. We understood how the tea powder is made and all.
Welcome to Fishmark Tea and Chocolate Factory.
Thank you. So first we came to the chocolate factory. These are the different methods of preparing the chocolate. So you can see chocolates lying on these boxes. See how they are making chocolate. So you can see different colors of chocolate. Wow, it's so nice. The molding machine. For each ticket we will get those many chocolates. Wow, that's nice. Milk chocolate, brown chocolate, light brown chocolate. So now we are entering tea factory. After the chocolate factory, we came into the tea factory. We have to pay 10 rupees per head, and here you can see the different machines working on the tea powder preparation. Here you can find the history of tea mentioned. So it is said to have discovered by the legendary Emperor Shen Nung. So this is a gift from China. You can see how the green leaf is getting cut and crushed. So you can find different methods of tea powder preparation here. So do come here, understand it. It is actually nice to know how it has been prepared. Nice to watch also. Super, very tasty. You can find different types of tea here. Green tea, white tea, oolong Chinese tea. So we are going to the sales counter. You can either purchase tea powder from here or you can go down to the market and purchase from there. I think it is more economical if you go down. You can find different varieties of chocolate, tea powder. A lot of flavors of tea powder are available here. After that we went to the Doddabetta Peak. Doddabetta welcomes you. This is the highest peak of Nilgiri Hills, the highest peak of Tamil Nadu. Appu is super excited. Appu is happy to see the clouds. Appu is happy to see the fog. We have to pay 20 rupees for car while entering here. Again we have to pay for entry ticket. Tasty tea kudikanona? Yeah. In the tea try pannalam. It is extremely tasty by the government of Tamil Nadu. So telescopic view from there is extremely beautiful. We all took a beautiful photo also here, waiting for that. And we had a very nice time out there as well. Then we had our lunch. After that we went to the lake, which was my favorite spot on that day. After lunch we came to Ooty Lake, the scenic Ooty Lake. Look at the mesmerizing view from here. Wow, it's amazing to see people enjoying boating. So we will also go for boating. We are planning to take a 4-seater, maybe a pedal boat. So we will have to pay additionally for that. For entry we have to pay and then again we have to pay for the boat. So we are ready to go for pedaling boat. It is for half an hour. Let's go. We are wearing the life jacket. Waiting for our boat to arrive. Yay! Yaha! Chinchu! One of the best places and must visit in Ooty. The whole family can together come for a boat riding. Wow! Super excited. कैसे सुन इस पल की धुन इस पल में जीवन सारा. Amma was not willing to come, but we forcefully took her. Full of greenery, full of fog, amazing view. People are enjoying. Age and all doesn't matter, guys. Look at my mom, how much she is enjoying.
Look at me, your sister.
Yeah, look at Chinju.
Not age over.
She's telling age atrem aitilla. No need to hit the gym, equivalent to cycling. Tomorrow maybe we'll all limp and go. our amazing fun-filled boat riding. Guys, there is a lovely game zone also here. So if you're coming with your kids, they can have a very nice time here. So must visit place. Let's wind up for today. Wait for another exciting episode from Ooty. As always, do subscribe to my channel Anjude Vlogs if not done yet. Like, share all your comments in comment box. See you soon.